Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be playing some Jailbreak. I think Jailbreak's the second top boy. If I show you that, or Mad City's the second top, which one? Yeah. Oh, yeah, 29.9k. I'm just gonna click that button to go back. So, Jailbreak it is. Oh, and after a long time, I'm gonna do something. And prisoner. Whoa. Say hi to. People say hi to you. Hi. Someone said hi, question mark. Guys, I'm gonna check this one. Oh, no, I'm not falling for it. No. Yes, I did it. I did it. I made her do it. I made her do it. Once I get some more Robux, I will be getting a Jailbreak VIP server once I've got more Robux. Crouch down here. I've actually done like not a lot of Mad City videos. Gun store it is. Flash team. Get Lambo, oh guy. What? Show me. Oh, and guys, I'm not using Bandicam. Guys, if you want to talk on team, just do /T on your key. Guys, I'm actually thinking what I want instead of the Robux. That's what I'm thinking now. I've got 3 things planned, but I need to head over to this museum. Rocket fuel! Oh, we need that rocket fuel to get up. I've not crashed so far into something. Do I have to go straight? No, I don't go straight. I go halfway straight, and then I fall down here, down here. So I've only crashed into one thing now. Comment if I drifted in that moment. I'm at the museum. The museum robbery is happening, isn't it? Yep, it is. Woo! I just died in 1 second. Just died in 1 second. Ah, why am I going over there? I don't even have enough Robux for that. I need 299 more. Ah, I'm already out. Guys, if you didn't know, I have changed back into my old avatar because I like it more than the RHS one. Guys, look, new gun mechanic, and guys, this is not how you aim. To aim, you have to click Q on your keyboard for the PC, and see that I'm aiming. Same with the M9, it's same for all vehicles. Right, so let me get the comp shift down there. I'm just part of Roblox groups and I've got shout out notifiers on. That's why it's just hard to drive in the volcano base. Now I know where volcano base is. I never used to know. Ah! I'm actually gonna take the entrance as the exit, and it's easier. We need to go this way, guys. See, it's around here. Let's custom. Why? What? Why did someone? I just told them to be quiet. Okay. What? Some jailbreak servers are so laggy.